Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I just got this in yesterday and this is from Denise. And if you don't know, she is it's her little tiny card. It's actually, this is, I think, a sticker. It's just from her, my last order from her. Anyway, here we go. Yes. Yay. Thank you, girl. Thank you so much. And then this is the stuff I picked up from her. She had a bunch of Hello Kitty items that I wanted to grab because if you don't know PHA, Paper Hoarders Anonymous, from Christian's Crafty Adventures, join her Facebook group, PHA Crafters on Facebook. If you're not familiar, just go there. Click on it and then it'll ask you a few questions. It's a really easy questions to answer. If you're not familiar, go check out Christian's channel, Christian's Crafty Adventures. So anyway, in August, PHA will be having a Hello Kitty Sanrio slash, Hello Kitty slash Sanrio month in August. So get ready. So here we go. Like I said, Denise had a bunch of Hello Kitty stuff. So here we are. The first ones are these little tiny Hello Kitty mugs. These are charms. Look at how tiny, and it's got the coffee in it. So there's one. This is a set of 3, and you had to be fast because they sold out super duper fast. And here are some white teddy bears. I'm going to take them out because I'm going to put them in my container. A white little teddy bear, gummy bear charms. They're super tiny. So there's that. And these are little Hello Kitty cabochons. How cute. Oh my gosh. Look, you got 5 in a set. They're so adorable. Super tiny. They're like a 1/4 of an inch, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna put these up in my containers because we're just about there, ready to go. Whoops. Ready to go. Look at these Hello Kitty cookies. How cute. Love. Love, love, love. How cute. I think it says something like Hello Kitty. It just says Hello Kitty love. I got the white bears. These are just the blue bears. Look at that. So tiny. They're so cute. And here's another set. This one has like purple in it. I was hoping to get more purple. Purple Hello Kitties. So we got pinks and blue and purple. Oh my gosh, I love the purple. So pretty. Thank you, Denise. I got some pink gummy bears. Whoopsies. Oopsies. So we got the pink ones. And yes, the cookies. Hello Kitty cookies. Or actually Pop-Tarts. Oh my gosh, look at that. They're so cute. So cute. So tiny. I was really, really wanting all the cookies, the sweet treats that she had. Gorgeous. Ah. Come on, fingers. Come on, fingers. These are little ice cream scoops. Hello Kitty ice cream scoops. Very cute. And this one is adorable. She has a little suit on. Look at that. The little sweatsuit. Puffy suit. I don't know what they're called, but she's so cute. So cute. And then the last one is, oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yay, more ice cream. Perfect. Look at that. Oh my gosh, what a good catch. I got these. And a lot of the other ones that I wanted were sold out. That is how fast Hello Kitty sells. So you guys, please check out Denise's Instagram. I'll have the link in the description box below. This was just part of her sale that I was able to grab. The others were sold out. And then she had this. Oh, what? Free gift. What is this? How cute. How nice. Denise, thank you. Oh, can I get it open? Secret mix! Look at how pretty. There's triangles and little open hole circles and little starbursts. How pretty. Look at this one. Oh, cute, cute, cute. These are so microscopic tiny. Oh my gosh. Look at those little starbursts. Triangles. How fun is that? Thank you, Denise. And this one is a kit. Ah, yeah, yes. It was the last one available. Yay. It's a cute bag too. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm gonna put it in here. Let's pull everything out. This is a kit that she put together, and she only had one. So you guys, like I said, be on the lookout for her Instagram because they go fast. Okay, so this was one. These were individual purchases. This was a kit. They were sold as one kit. Look at that gigantic Hello Kitty. Yes, I'm not a cat fan, but I love Hello Kitty. This is a bright fuchsia pink. Bright, bright Hello Kitty. Look at that. And you get a puffy heart. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, how perfect. If this would be even more perfect if it was lavender or purple or, you know, up my alley. I do love pink, but purple is my favorite. I mean, seriously, who doesn't love pink, right? Look. Oh, I love these chunky stars. They're so perfect for Hello Kitty. Oh, you got some. Oh, these are tiny. These are tiny, you guys. Tiny little fuzzy ball charms. Oh my gosh. Those are small. I have some of these, but they're bigger. And they're from Denise. So look at the Hello Kitty. Oh my gosh. Oops, sorry. She is so cute. Oh, she has her little hand to her mouth. How cute. And these are flat backs. How to open it, I don't know. It's hard to see it where the opening is, but look at these little flat back lolly with the Hello Kitties on them. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. And then we got some clay sprinkles. These are clay. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at how cute. And we got yellow. We got yellow. Yellow with the yellow bows. Oh, how pretty. Oh, I might have to put these back in this bag because they're so tiny. These are so tiny, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at these teeny tiny bows. What? OMG. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put this one back in here because it's so small. I might lose them. Oh, see? Oh, boy. That is so cute. So cute. Oh my gosh. the little chunky beads. Okay, we don't have to take it out, but look at the polka dots on these chunky beads. I love it. And then here are some ghosts for Halloween. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Halloween. How cute with the little pink paws. Look at how tiny they are. Oh my God. They're adorable. Oh my God. And we got some Sakura flowers. Ay, 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 they're so tiny. They're flat backs, so they're easy to use as embellishments on your paper crafts. So that's what they look like on the back. How cute. I have some of these from a previous haul from her. And then there's these little lollipops. Lollipops. Oh my gosh. These are adorable. Is this clay? Or is it like poly? I don't know. But they're soft. How cute. They are cute. Oh my gosh. These are adorable. What a beautiful kit. I'm keeping these because I'm going to use those to put them back in. There's a lighter pink. Yes. This kit is giving me life with the teeny tiniest polka dots. Here's another one. This is another shade of pink. Smaller, but you still got polka dots, so it'll look super cute together. And then, yes, French fries. French fries. Hello, hello. Look at these babies. Look at these babies. Oh my gosh, they're adorable. Hello, Kitty. Somebody has a die for this. I don't remember who, but I've seen someone playing with them. Maybe it's Christian. Maybe it is Christian Crafty Adventures. Look at these little ones. These are cabochons and French fries. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh. And then, yes. Hello, Kitty. You're the one. You get some Hello Kitty cabochon. And then you get a round one. And it has glitter in her resin. So pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Love it. So even though I didn't grab what I really wanted from her individual pieces, I still got a good amount from the kit that she put together. And look at these bows. They're perfect. It comes with the kit. And yes, girls, this is really what sold me on getting this kit. Because I got this. Hello, coffee. Oh my God, yes. Oh yes, Denise, thank you. Thank you. You are awesome, girl. This kit is amazing. And then I have a little baggie to put her all of this in. Forget putting it in a container, because if I just want to work with Hello Kitty, I could just grab this little pouch. It'll be so perfect. Let me make sure. Yeah, good thing I did, because this one was hiding inside the paper. Ooh, these are Hello Kitties. Okay, how do I open this? These are so tiny, you guys. Oh my gosh. You know, usually by the time people share the hauls from Denise, these items are sold out. They are sold out. This is so tiny. This is resin. Super tiny. Glitter on the back. Hello Kitty. Oh my God. Yes, 3, 6, you get 8. Cute. What? I'm gonna put them with this because it's so super tiny. I'm gonna put them together, right? Oh, they are so tiny. Anyway, Denise, this was a fabulous, fabulous kit. Oh my gosh, everything is going out of the bag. I am so happy with this collection. Such a gorgeous kit that you created. Yeah, I'll be checking your shop again. Not anytime soon, but yeah, if you have more Hello Kitties, I will be. All right, guys, that is it for me. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you check out Denise's Instagram, because you're not going to want to miss it. This is all just so beautiful. All so beautiful. If she did purple, I would grab all the purple. So, okay. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.